Hello and welcome to my channel. And today I thought we'd do some hobby machining, some turning on my mini lathe. I'm going to use this piece of 6061 aluminum and just make a shoulder and drill a hole. Let's do this. As soon as I find my chuck key. I have a gauge block set here. I'm just going to place it between the stop and my carriage. And now I'm going to touch off. Okay, now when I remove this, I just bring it all the way to the stop and it'll be fine. It will be to a finished depth. And then I need to bring that diameter down to 392. Let's take a measurement and see where I'm at. $680. .680 minus, what did I say? 0.392 equals 288. $405. I need to take 12 thousandths. 10, 11, 12. I need to drill a hole through here. There's nothing special about this hole. A bolt is going to go through it. So I'm not even gonna center drill or spot it. I'm just gonna drill through with a 1/4-inch drill. Seven, 8, 9. More than enough. Let's cut this thing off. That was 440. I almost forgot my pin, like usual. And there you have it. Well, there seems to be a problem here. That equals, I'm going to put my part here. Let's try that again. None of this is working. Okay. Move the gauge blocks. Let's see if this will work. Or will that part come flying out? All right. I had to reface the length of this because I used a 108 gauge block and a 100,000 gauge block, thinking I was using a 108 and a 50. So I had to reface these things off, but it all worked out in the end. I think this video is a wrap. So, until next time, enjoy.